I mean, you know what they say, all money ain't good money, but dirty money sure looking clean right there. Check that truck out. Look at all these trucks in here. I'm not gonna jinx it, but looking at that weather, I hope it don't rain, because look at all these cars and trucks out here. Hey, it's definitely going down today. Let's get it. Oh, check this side by side out. Man, this mug right here go hard. I don't care what you say. I mean, look at the attention to detail. Yo, they definitely did this. Yo, check this truck out. Okay, NSK Customs. I mean, I done seen pictures on the net. I know y'all have too. Of the black light, how it looks when it glow in the dark. But seeing it in person, ooh wee! Oh, look at that. I mean, man, that's so clean. Look at that lift. The color combination, man. Then the detail on the wheels. Oh, elevate. That's an elevate lift. All right, American Forces, I see you. Gotta clean these wheels look. Man, look at the lift. Check out this F-250. I see you. When you got the chrome overlays on your lift, I mean, you know you're doing something. Like, just look at it. That Ford looking sick. Hold up, my man got his dog in the truck. Oh, I see your oil money with the old school dually. This junk right here go hard. Like, look at that color. Look at the wheels. Oh, I see you. Yeah. Ooh, man, that's nasty. Check that out. Oil money, baby. Get some. Yo, this side-by-side is sick. Do y'all realize what you looking at? This mug got dually wheels, a side-by-side, an ATV. You finna play in the mud. Ooh, you know they spent some money on this mug. At Polaris, yeah, y'all did the thing. Yo, this JTX and any level setup, I'm talking about you in 450 heaven right now. Everything lifted, everything big. Man, look at Big Blue. Need a prenup? Tell you, man, JTX is doing a thing. I mean, ooh-wee. Check those wheels out. Brush face with the red coated any level on the back. Then you got the next level matte. Oh yeah. This truck right here don't need no introduction. Look at them JTXs. Nasty. Ooh. I mean, look at this truck right here. Bro, tell me you seen something harder than this. Yo, this ice white go hard, but ooh wee! Look at that camo. Oh yeah, my man did this setup right here. Big shout out. Yeah, that boy did this truck right here. You ain't never gonna see another truck this clean, that go this hard. That boy got his personal logo on there. Yo, and shout out to the handicapped people that's doing their thing. I don't think they get enough respect and enough love. I mean, because my man did that truck. Yo, it's the truck that broke the internet. Skating 450. God dang. I mean, look at this mug. Bro, this is a Texas-sized truck in Texas. Texas is the biggest state we got in the United States. Look at this lift. Look at them tires. I mean, look at it in person. God. They did that. Yo, this truck right here clean. Peep the attention to detail all on this truck. I'm talking from the bumper to the lights, from the wheels. Ooh. Yeah. Look at the custom spikes. I mean, man. This mug goes so hard. Look at the tail lights, the rear bumper, the gin lift. Yo, this truck is sick. Like, look at that lift. Ooh-hoo-wee. God, hey, just nasty. Yo, if you drunk, don't try this at home, because I just see this going bad. But that's a clean little setup. I ain't even gonna lie. I mean, that way you can park your ATV right on top of the truck. I mean, it's 2023. Who needs a trailer? Just don't try it after you've been drinking, because you're gonna Dukes the Hazzard that right over the truck. Yo, you can't tell me this truck with the trailer, with the custom box, with the mini little truck on the back. Man, tell me this truck gonna go hard right here. I mean, look how clean it is. And then look at old girl with the big truck. Dude, that's an any level lift that's dropped down. And I mean, check out the wheels. Them track mobiles. Like, bro, that's hard. Like, you can't tell me that ain't hard. Yeah, she did this truck. That junk go hard right there. Yo, this is a clean little setup right here. You got the purple track bars. Yeah, I like that. Dude, all I'm seeing is 250s, 350s, and 450s. I'm about to give up on the 150 game because, look at that diesel. Oh, nasty. Oh, that go hard right there. Optimus Prime.
You gotta find the white F-250. Badass fucking truck.
Hell yeah. right, GMC. I see you. Like, I ain't gonna lie. GMC got the coldest grill right now to me. Hands down. I love Ford, but, yo, them GMCs, they killing it with that grill. Yo, tell me this don't go hard. Just look at it. Listen to the way it sounds. Ooh. Yo, peep them wheels. Man, them wheels so clean. God. Yo, we got any U fans watching this? I mean, if so, this truck right here for y'all. I mean, they did this. They got the any level lift color coded too. Ooh, look at that Dodge. Okay, I see you. Dodge game rolling strong. On these TIS wheels too. I see you. That baby blue just set it off with that gray. Yo, this truck right here is sick. I mean, peep the custom wrap. Like, everything going together. And if you ain't seen this truck at night, these lights on it right now don't do it justice. I mean, look at the grill. You see some of the lights, yo, y'all need to see this truck at night. And I mean, like, look at that. Bro, check this out. You know you in Texas, right? Gotta have a Miller Lite. Yo, this mug go hard. I'm telling you, this truck go hard. Yo, I was just talking about Dodge earlier, but like, look at the customization right here. That two-tone on them airbags. Oh, wee. Man, this mug go hard. Like, look at the attention to detail on this lift right here. That's nasty right there. You ain't touching this truck right here. That mug looks so clean. Like, just look at it. Yo, They definitely did this truck up right here. Yo, you can't ever go wrong with a Hummer, especially one like this with the raised back. Oh, we got the system in the back. Oh yeah, you know when they turn this on, that mug thumping. Yo, this all money truck, it was parked next to me at a show back in Dallas last year. Let me tell you, the camera, it don't do it justice. Y'all need to see this truck in person. All money. Yo, if you don't know this truck, you better get to know it. CZ Mods, lighting, like, bro got the sickest lights. Not even gonna lie to you.
No. All day. Yo, y'all need to check out this truck right here. Check out these lights. Check out the lights and the traction bars. Check the wheel lights out.
Now, mind you, these lights on in the daytime. We talking, it's got to be like afternoon right now. We're in the daytime. Yo, we just met the owner of this truck. If you want custom interior, cowhide interior, my man said he got you. He can do whatever you want. Hit the Instagram up, holler at him. Yo, I don't know if y'all remember last year. Last year, this was a mud pit, and they still had people riding Mayhem. That mug was throwing mud everywhere. Like, the people were coming off this ride looking like they just rolled over in mud. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it do look fun. But, yeah, it's a little hot outside. And I done had a little bit more than just water, so I'm good. I'm not hopping on it. But y'all can, though. Let me know how y'all turn out. Yo, now this look like a movie scene right here. Deep in the heart of Texas. It's going down. Well, look at that truck. That's how you do it. That's how you represent. We putting on for Texas, baby. Know what I'm talking about? That's gonna do it for me. So appreciate y'all rolling with me through Lone Star Throwdown 2023. I mean, I wouldn't be here without y'all. Appreciate y'all for all y'all likes, shares, follows, and subscribing. I'm about to roll back in the show because hell, it's hot outside. So catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.